I could definitely recommend the EasyFit to any other lab. And why? Hi, my name is Gordon Leung. I've been working here at iLOOK for roughly 14.5 years. We have 8 locations across New York. That's in Manhattan, Brooklyn, and Queens. I've acquired the EasyFit for about 2 years now. It's night and day compared to the tabletop edgers. It's precision, speed, not needing a block anymore, no slippages. Reworks are much less, access is spot on. Step backs, notches, all that for Oakley's, Maui Gym makes it a breeze processing it on the EasyFit versus tabletop edgers where it's not possible, which is much more difficult. Time spent on the EasyFit is much less, leaves more time for me to process detailed work. Another thing with the EasyFit, it being dry cut versus tabletops, using water is not messy at all. Cleaning is very, very easy. I could definitely recommend the EasyFit to any other lab. It'll make your job much easier.